welcome once again to my channel Be Inspired by Nizara. Today I am going to share with you all a very interesting and crucial topic, that is sense of humor, an essential life skill. But before starting the session, let us laugh for a while. Let me crack a joke. Once, Albert Einstein and Mr. Bean sat next to each other in an airplane. Mr. Albert Einstein introduced himself as a great scientist from Germany. He was a little bit bored during his journey, so he suggested Mr. Bean, "Shall we play a game?" Then Mr. Bean asked, "What type of game?" Albert Einstein said, "I'll ask you one question. If you can't answer it correctly, you will give me $1. Then you will ask me one question, and if I can't answer it correctly, I will give you $1,000. Then Mr. Bean thought, $1 is to $1,000 seems a good ratio. So he says, "Sure, sir." Again Mr. Bean replied, "Sir, your turn first." So Albert Einstein asked, "What is the distance between the Earth and the Moon?" Then Mr. Bean immediately handed over $1 to Albert Einstein as he doesn't know the answer. Then it's Mr. Bean's turn. He asked, "Which is the animal which goes up the mountain with 3 legs and comes down with 4 legs?" Albert Einstein was shocked by hearing the question. Which is the animal which goes up the mountain with 3 legs and comes down with 4 legs? He was thinking and thinking, and finally he handed over $1,000 to Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean took $1,000 happily and went back to sleep. Albert Einstein was annoyed. He woke up Mr. Bean. "Hey, didn't I give you $1,000? I'm waiting for my answer." Then Mr. Bean replied, "Here is your $1, sir. I don't know the answer." Now you guess, who won the game? Albert Einstein or Mr. Bean? Have I made you all guys laugh? I could have cracked more jokes, but time doesn't permit. So let's start today's session. Today I am going to give you a few tips how to cultivate within yourself a good sense of humor, benefits of sense of humor, and few precautions that you need to take care of while cracking a joke. First, let me explain what is sense of humor. It's a person's ability to realize, to understand, or to appreciate a joke. When someone cracks a joke, we laugh at it. That is what sense of humor simply means. So I have brought before you 5 tips today. My tip 1, keep a beautiful smile on your face. Have you observed during our daily chats in social media, as in WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram, along with our message, we send beautiful emojis, smileys, red hearts. Why? To make our message look more attractive, more pleasant. Then shouldn't we keep a beautiful smile on our face to boost our attractiveness and beauty? A smile improves your face value. And do you know, every smile makes you a day younger. So keep smiling. While keeping a smile on your face, you can put a smile on others' face too. So tip 1, keep smiling. My tip 2, try to learn to laugh at your own mistake. This is the best kind of humor. When we learn to laugh at ourselves. Suppose you have done a silly mistake. Laugh at yourself wholeheartedly. Don't give others the chance to laugh at you. If you form the habit of laughing at yourself, you will not be annoyed by others. Instead, you will feel more relaxed, more stress-free. You will gain the energy to bounce back and correct your mistake effectively. Have you ever observed small children? They do mistake and they laugh at their own mistake. And after a while, the people around them start laughing. And they create a lively environment. But as we grow up, our ego comes first. Even though we had done the mistake, if others laugh at us, we get angry. Don't get angry. Think yourself, how can such a silly mistake I can do? So learn to laugh at yourself. Be lively. It's a sign of maturity. Tip 3. Hang out and observe funny people. We have all got some friends or colleagues whom we find funny and fun-loving. Go ahead and spend some time with them and learn what they are doing to be funny. What's a better way to grow your sense of humor than surround yourself with fun-loving or funny people? So go around, move around with funny people, and don't be afraid to contribute yours, because every little laugh counts. So hang around, hang out with funny people. Tip 4. Learn some very simple jokes. You can learn very simple jokes from comedy shows, comedy movies, from internet, from books, from your friends, from your colleagues. You should try to see the funny side to almost everything and make a joke out of it. Looking at circumstances with a different perspective is a very valuable life skill. So try to make a joke to almost everything. Be a little bit childish. Observe small children. They laugh at silly things. They laugh at ordinary circumstances. Be a little bit childish. Here I want to share a small moment of my own. It was a fine Monday morning in Bangalore, and I was moving ahead for the morning assembly. Then suddenly one of my colleagues said, "Hi Nizara, you are looking so pretty and beautiful today. How can you come so gracefully on Mondays?" Before I could reply her, she had only replied, "My body only comes on Monday. My soul starts coming from Tuesday or Wednesday." I was so impressed by her way of appreciation that my whole day went very lively and happily. And that small moment is still a treat to my heart. That's why I'm sharing with you all. So learn some simple jokes and share with your friends, at your workplace, with your family, and be happy. Tip 5. Be positive, laugh more. This is the most important tip in my list. To develop a good sense of humor, you should laugh more. Watching comedy movies, watching comedy shows, or being around with funny people or fun-loving people is great. But if you don't follow the humor, how can you really know what's funny? Being nervous and hesitant kills a good sense of humor. So be funny, be fun-loving. If you are happy and if you are laughing more, then you will see that humor flows naturally through you. So be positive and laugh wholeheartedly. This is your life. You can laugh as much as you want. So these are my 5 tips. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope it's fruitful to you all. Now I want to say some benefits of possessing sense of humor. According to studies, sense of humor improves a person's physical and mental health. It boosts your attractiveness. You look quite young, beautiful, and charming. It improves your leadership skills. Have you ever observed good leaders? They have a good sense of humor. It reduces stress depression, and anxiety to a greater extent. You'll feel more relaxed. You'll be more focused at your workplace, at your studies, etc. Humor acts as a lubricant that ties a person through tough spots in life. Life becomes more lively, more enjoyable. Last but not the least, a person who possesses good sense of humor can prove himself or herself as an affectionate child, as loving parents, as a pleasing employee, as a cheerful friend, as a charming husband, and a loving and attractive wife. So these are few benefits we can conquer if we possess a good sense of humor. At the end, I'd like to say that having a good sense of humor is great, but we can't be sarcastic. Don't be sarcastic. Don't put others down. When humor involves making fun of others, ridiculing others, it's not in good taste, nor is it innocent. Hurting others' feelings can be cruel. Some people get fun by putting others down, by taunting others. Don't do that. Don't put others down. Remember, laugh with people, not at people, because people forget injuries. They don't forget insults. So be lively, be happy, possess a good sense of humor. At the end of the video, I would like to conclude my video with a beautiful quote of Norman Cousins, sir. He said, "Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live." So live when you are alive. Don't die before you are dead. So be happy, be joyful, develop a good sense of humor, be humorous. I'll be coming up with new videos soon. Put your valuable suggestions and comments. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Be Inspired by Nizara. Those who haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe. Have a nice time all of you. God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you all.